Testing, 1, 2. Testing. Testing, 1, 2. Testing.
Get over here!
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we back.
Oh, yeah.
Finish him!
Alright, we back. RJD TV, y'all. Welcome. It's been a while. This might end up being a test stream, depending on how it goes and if it holds up. As long as it holds up and it does what it has to do, then we will keep it pushing and we will try not to die. So, hope everybody is having themselves a good old time. Enjoy, be safe, and let's see what we can do, and let's shoot some zombies in the forehead. Okay, great. As long as my stream is not cutting up, we'll be good. Where am I going? I gotta go over here. Alright. What's up? What's up? Hope everybody's doing good today.
Took care of a request, did ya?
Alright, bright lights. Flash grenades. Alright, so now we know we gotta get some flash grenades.
Well done.
Well
You've
done,
proven yourself
stranger.
reliable.
Gotcha, bitch.
I've got something new for you, mate.
Alright, what can we get rid of? Let's see. We got an old pipe. We don't need that.
I'll buy almost anything.
We got an old pipe. We got this. Gonna keep that. Gonna get rid of this. Actually, we're gonna hold on to this too. Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, now we got some money.
Easy work.
We need the knife. Repair that up. My chat is down. If you type it in the chat, I don't see
Won't
nothing.
do you much good in the grave.
The Punisher.
A well-tuned weapon can make up for a try that on for size. Will have come back
Alright,
any
that's all we
time.
got. That's all we got so far. Let's see what's over here. What can we make? I'm running out of stuff to make here. I can't really make a damn thing. Let's just keep going. Got an herb over here. Got some micro bullets over here. Yeah, we gotta reload because remember what happened the last time. Got a grenade. Let's reload this. Let's reload this. I don't like the way this is going. There are going to be people trying to kill me.
Keep moving, but quietly. Got it?
What do you mean keep moving but quietly?
I'll try.
Oh, if you don't shut the hell up.
Podéis correr, pero no os podéis esconder.
Chop him up. Oh, what the hell?
Guess we're doing this.
Oh, they rang the bell on me. Oh, I shot him in the ass. Oh, what the hell? Let's go. Run. Run, damn it. You cannot have her. Reload. Reload. Hurry up. Hold that. Hold that. Ooh, baby. Oh, I shot him in the face.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
That was dope. Listen, we're gonna dodge the mark on me for that. I'm just saying. Just saying, that was some good shooting right there. That was some good shooting. Alright, let's reload everything. Babe, that wasn't some good shooting? Oh, damn it.
Nope.
That was some good shooting, man. Listen, okay? That's some good shooting. Alright, let's see. What else we got? What else we got? So I don't know what I have to do here. I know there's a treasure over here somewhere. There's a treasure over here. Past it. Let's go, baby. Yellow diamond. Can I put that with this? Oh, we got one. Alright. Don't need to go back. Let's go forward. I'm sure. Oh, there's people over there. Maybe I can shoot them. Now zoom in. Wait. Stay still. Stay still. Oh, you got shot in the face. Alright, you are dead. Alright. Wait. Stay still. Stay still. Oh, you got shot in the face too. You are dead.
Perfect. Surprise, motherfucker.
Alright, back at it. We doing some good shooting today. Listen, I'm liking the way this is starting off. Don't step on that, stupid. Alright. I got got mad gunpowder. I'm sure I can make something by now. Can't make no shotgun shells. They take too long. I can make rifle ammo though. Make some machine gun ammo. Some hand. They giving. Oh Jesus! How'd I fall for that? They giving me a lot of handgun ammo. Remember what I always say, when they start giving you stuff, you already know what happens. When they start giving you stuff, that means you gotta fight something. There's another treasure over here. Is that a save point? What is that? I don't like the way this is going right now. Oh! Get the hell off of me! Jesus! Man, that's disrespectful. Where the hell he come from? That wasn't very nice. Oh, put a gemstone with this? Oh, let's go. Gonna hold on to that. Got 2 gemstones. Okay, let's get this money. Alright. Let's put this with this. Let's put this. Because I'm about to die. Alright. Back at it. Let's see what we got going on over here. I'm sure there's going to be something that's going to jump out at me. And I'm going to have to shoot it. Oh, I'll go this way. I don't like this. I don't like this.
Sure is quiet.
Too quiet. Oh, so I gotta go over there. So let me not go there yet. Oh, we ain't going that way. Let's change that up. Let's go this way first. Do I have the key for that? Of course not.
Looks like I need something.
Of course I do. Why wouldn't I? Maybe I can stab this guy in the back of the throat.
¿Dónde está?
Podéis correr, pero no os podéis esconder. Sé que estáis ahí.
No os podéis
God, dude. Shut up and go to sleep. Where'd she go?
¿Dónde estáis?
Where'd she go? I have no idea where she went. Oh well. I could have swore I.
No os podéis esconder.
Alright, so let's find a way to go kill homegirl. Oh shit. Chop him up. Can't go in there yet. I'm sure there's plenty of stuff to find. Alright. Hey, shotgun shells. It's about time. Alright. Give me all your loot. Are there people over here? They're giving me rifle ammo for a reason. They want me to use it. I don't like the way this is going. Go here. They're giving me a whole... Yeah. There's no way. Something about to jump out. Matter of fact,
Wait here.
What? Okay.
get in the locker and shut up. 'Cause I already see what's about to happen. Let's go, more treasure. Okay. Can't use that for nothing yet. So, where the hell am I supposed to go? Why did it bring me all the way over here? So I went that way. Went that way. I think I gotta jump down in that thing. More shotgun shells. Where the hell am I supposed to go? I'm officially lost. Oh, over here? No, that's locked up.
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate the like. Listen, if you ain't here, hit the goddamn like button. That was the wrong button, but hit the like button.
Give me a hell yeah! I said give me a hell yeah!
Got 7 of y'all in here. Hit the like button. Appreciate you. I'm officially lost. Trying to figure this out. What the holy hell? Alright. I think we gotta go up this way. And then we gotta go this way. Come over here. I got over here. jump down there, so we're not doing that. Let's go back this way. Oh. I didn't see this before. Yeah, you get in there.
Stay here.
Hang on.
I could just tell. What the hell? What the hell is that?
Get the fuck out of here!
Oh, hell no. These ladies got chainsaws.
Didn't realize it was yours. I am flattered. What am I one
What the
lady
hell am I
type
supposed
guy?
to do with that? We out of here. Run. Oh, shit. I'm stuck. All of you can die. Shoot you in the back. Oh no! You're supposed to stay in there, stupid! Get over here! Get over here. Run! You're not running. Alright, we gotta go. We gotta go. Get out the way! Ashley's about to die. Oh, I got stabbed in the back. Oh, that's a rough way to go. God damn. That's how you feel? I should have put her upstairs. Well, well, goddamn. I should have left her ass upstairs. Oh, man. I knew it. I knew it was too good to be true. Why did they put me all the way over here? Oh, it's a checkpoint? Yeah, you gotta stay upstairs, homegirl. I need you away from me. I need to be able to run around. Yeah, you go in here.
Wait here.
Got it.
I don't trust it. Alright, let's see if I can make some bullets. I need all my bullets. I need all my bullets. Reload everything. Alright, can I make some shotgun shells? Let's see if I can make some shotgun shells. Man, he stabbed me in the back, bro. Disrespectful. Alright. Alright, let's see. Let's make one of these. And let's make one of these. Alright. So it looks like we got all our ducks in a row. They even gave me an AIDS spray. Yeah, they don't want me to die. I tell you, when the game starts giving you all this shit, just know they're coming for you. Alright, let's go.
I am flattered. What am I one lady type of guy?
Hold that one too. Hold that. And that. Get off of me! I can't see. Get out of my way. Get out of the way. Alright. Run for your life. Hold that. Die! Why are they not dead? Alright, let's go. We running. Mierda. They are coming for my head. You get the hell out of my face. Oh, damn it! Run! He stabbed me in the gut.
Oh, yeah.
Get out of here. Thank you for the like. Oh, that's Mike. What's good, player? Oh, he threw something at me. Run, damn it. Get out of there. They are trying to kill me. Ah! Oh, I blocked it. Don't break my knife. Did he break my knife?
Sorry, you're not my type.
Not today, homegirl. Shout out to Mike. I don't know what you rating, bro. I'll check it in a minute. Nah, no, he wrote something, but I can't see it.
Come on.
Oh, I'm out of bullets. Why are they not dying? Oh, there's a ladder here. Nice. They'll never catch me up here. Alright, now I got time to make some bullets. What's good, Mike? I see you, player. I'm running, brother. I'm running for my life. Okay. Let's see. Can I make some bullets? I can't make shit. Okay. Nice. Nice. Oh shit. Die. Die. Die.
Stay down, all right?
Shut up and die. Get him out of here. We down. We out. They are trying to really off me right now. Hey, buddy. You ain't dead yet. Oh no! You can't have me. I gotta get rid of you. That's what I gotta get rid of. I gotta get rid of the damn girl with the chainsaw. Hey. Where are you? Oh shit!
Break already.
Shut up and die already!
Damn.
Jesus! And that's how you... Give my damn crank back.
Okay, it's all right.
No pressure.
And that's how you blow everybody up, baby. Let's go. And that is how everybody gets barbecued. Let's go, baby.
Perfect.
That's right. Hit him with the...
Just bring it, bitch!
Got them all out of here. All right. Let's go. Or they wake up from the dead or whatever. All right. So, appreciate everybody hitting the like button. I don't know what's next,
No,
but
I'm okay.
what we finna do is
You did well back there.
I did my little chapter 6.
Seems this isn't your
I
first
did
time
start
running
late.
creeps.
Oh, yeah.
So I gotta see what happens next. Appreciate you. Thanks for the like.
Perfect.
I'm gonna go to the checkpoint, and then I'm gonna call it. I don't know what's next though. So let's see. I barbecued all the chainsaw girls, so we should be good to go. I'm mad. They stabbed me in the back though. That was disrespectful. Why would they stab me in the back like that? Okay. Am I supposed to? Oh, let's go in the house. All right. Where's the checkpoint? We're gonna hit the checkpoint, and we're gonna call it. They're giving me more bullets. I don't like that. You know what happens when they start giving you bullets? Alright. Everything gets refreshed. Reload, reload, reload. Alright.
All right. Come on.
Okay.
I don't like this. He don't look phased. Oh, Jesus.
You stupid.
So requires.
I don't like this one bit. So he just bent metal. So he just bending metal now?
Come, child.
Get the fuck out of here!
Nope. I'm good on that.
Hurry! Don't worry about them.
Oh, they blew the bridge up. Damn.
This way. Okay,
Really? Your foot got stuck?
we need to go.
Run, sucker.
Then run.
Run, stupid.
Close one.
Man. I don't like this guy. At all.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Alright. So we escaped this guy. That is the checkpoint. Appreciate everybody who came in and hit the like button. Shout out Mike. I took your advice. I ran for my life. I'll be back. I gotta go hit the road. Chapter 6 we will finish. But we got a nice little bit in today. So I appreciate everybody, all the love. We had about 9-10 people in here today, man. Let's go. Don DeMarco for y'all. Don DeMarco for y'all. But we shall return. So everybody be safe. Enjoy the day. I gotta go outside. I holla at you. Peace out. Don't forget the outro.
It's over 9,000! What, 9,000?
You triggered my trap card!